Hello guys, good morning, and um, we're here in Poland now, um, where I used to stay on my first day here in Poland. This is the accommodation we had. See that little space? See that little space? Maybe just one person. Actually, this is not my first room, but this is my first accommodation house, hostel, that day I came when I reached Poland. Because I'm snoring, they transfer me here in this small room with another guy. His name is Collins. He's from, I think, from Kenya. I think from Kenya. So he was with me, with so he was with me in this room before, when I was not yet going to Croatia. And so when I was assigned to Croatia for 3 months, I left this room. I just handed over to one Filipino guy here who came from Netherlands. So he slept in my bed. So when I came, they give me another room from the other side with another person. And actually I don't want to bother everyone because of my snoring. That's why they transfer me here with another guy. It's because of my snoring. So it's actually hard for me, but it's not also my fault, and it's not everybody's fault also. So right now, there were two people who sleeping, and their work will be in the morning. So on this room, all of these people are working in the afternoon, in the evening shift. So here, my friend Colin, I asked Colin if I can just sleep for the night when there's no one people here, borrowing his bed, so that I cannot disturb the people sleeping in the other room. Anyway, just want to share this one to some people who snores and who sleeps really shallow sleeping. And I wish that there will be an accommodation that people who sleeps shallow goes together, and people who really sleeps with any noise could sleep will be also together. So anyway, this is just my experience on my first day in Poland again. So I just want my alarm. It's already 5:30. So the other people who will come from their work will be coming here around 6:30. So I just would need to fix myself up and return this bed that I borrowed. Um, So it's hard. It's really hard for me that a person who snores there really loud keeps on changing room or bothering other people. So I hope they would understand, and the people who are there in my country who I support or something else, I hope they would understand in the future that we don't want this one, we don't want this way, or something like same like me. Let's say your loved ones, let's say your parents out there, then there are kids who actually just ask for something what their parents can give. They really don't know what their parents are suffering here in far away from their loved ones. So anyway, lessons to be learned. Just give an insight for lessons to be learned. So thank you, and have a nice day.